something. Oh, I am definitely wearing a shirt. That looks like I'm naked. Hey, thanks for checking out my channel again. I'm going to show you guys something that is another staple, and that is how to get a beach wave like this with a curling iron.
The tools you're going to need are a 1-inch curling iron. If your hair is at your chin, it's just a 1/2-inch iron to get more curl. Heat protectant to put in before your hair before blow drying or air drying. Clips to section your hair, and optional items like hair potion, hairspray, or dry shampoo. I'm using the dry conditioner from Aveda for my heat protectant. When using any styling tool, it's important to protect your hair from heat damage. The drier it is, the more split ends you'll get. My first section will be taking 1.5 inches from the nape, which is at the base of the neck. Clamp a 1-inch section starting at the root. Rotate once, hold for 1 second, slightly release, and twist to move down the hair. Don't worry about curling the bottom pieces too much because the rest of your hair will be resting on top of it. The direction of the curls don't matter until you get to the top section and the pieces that frame your face. I like to alternate directions so that the hair doesn't go into one big wave. Repeat this on the next few sections. When you get to the top section, curl every section away from the face. This is my preference because I like the way it frames the face, but you can also curl it towards your face if you like that look as well. Once I get to the front of the face, I put the curler underneath the section 1 inch away from the root to get a little bit more volume. Once I'm done curling, I'll add in some hairspray. The hairspray I'm using is Elnett by L'Oreal, and it is a strong hold but buildable hairspray. This means that it will hold your style well, but you'll also be able to layer it on without your hair feeling crunchy. First, I'll brush it out with my fingers, and if I want to diffuse the ringlets a little bit more, I'll use my brush to make it softer. After that, I'll go over any pieces that I want to recurl for more definition or texture. Next, I'll add in the hair potion. It is one of my favorite products, and it's a powder that turns into a tacky liquid after you rub it between your hands. This is a great product for giving your waves that piecey, textured look. When I'm happy with the way it looks, I'll go over it with a final spritz of hairspray to hold everything in. I hope this video helped. In another video, I'm going to go over how to get the same look with a flat iron. If this is something you want to see, please like and subscribe below, and I will see you later.